Hey, this is Shawn with 3 Bells Outfitters, and I'm going to show you how to tie a Palomar knot. This knot is especially good for braid because it'll prevent the knot from slipping out. So the first thing you're going to do is make a loop. Then you're going to feed that loop through your swivel or hook or whatever you're tying to. From there you're going to tie a simple overhand knot. Then you're just gonna put the swivel through that loop. Then you're just gonna pull both ends. And then you're just gonna trim the tag end off. There you go.